Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix Windows fail to start missing boot configuration data. So for fixing it you just need to go to Start, choose Settings, Update Security, Recovery, and just click Restart Now. So now we will restart from Restoration menu. So also if you can't enter to your Windows, you can choose from some buttons. I don't remember what combination of buttons you need to enter to get into a restoration menu. But you can also view it in internet, what command to enter. So here it is, a restoration menu. So you just choose Troubleshoot. Also, you can get this menu from your CD or DVD disc with your operation system. Here you choose Advanced Options and choose Command Prompt. So we need to choose command line, and from now we need to choose user. So here you choose your user. After it, you need to enter here your password. So just check if your keyboard layer is OK and correct, because it depends on writing your password. So now we will see command line. So we need to enter in command line boot rec /fix mbr. So here you can see it. After it, second command we need to enter is boot rec fix boot, and just enter. Third command you need to write is boot rec scan nos. So now you need to wait some time. After it will check all your files and find. So first command you need to enter is boot rec build bcd. And after you do it, just click exit and continue. By clicking continue, your operation system will start. So it will be better if you find your disk and you will choose restoration from your disk with installation of Windows. It will you will have more access and for boot, and it will be better to recover your boot from it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.